Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ayurchikitsa. Today I'm back with a new video and here it is I'm going to make best smoothie for breakfast using orange, kiwi and watermelon. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come let's start the video. Come let's start to see the ingredients without any further delay. Orange, kiwi, watermelon, pinch of Himalayan Pink Salt. Orange are nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamin C and minerals, improves iron absorption and fights anemia. Kiwi are high in vitamin C and has dietary fiber which helps your digestive system. Watermelon, those helps to stay hydrated, packed with nutrients. It is high in water and fiber. Lastly, everything blend together. Finally, add 4 to 5 drops of lime juice and enjoy. Alright guys, that was all for today's video. I will see you guys with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Until then, bye-bye. Guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let me know your feedback in comment section below. Have the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.